Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is NAJIEHAH binti IBRAHIM with my following group members HUMAIRA ATHIRAH binti Muhammad ZAKI and Alya Balqis binti KALLBI. Today we want to present the chapter 4, which is Sustainable Procurement and Logistics. Happy watching! What is Sustainable Procurement and Logistics? Sustainable procurement is about taking social and environmental factors into consideration alongside financial factors in making procurement decisions. Sustainable procurement is the process by which organizations buy assets, supplies, or services by taking into account a number of factors, including the value of money considerations such as price, quality, the entire life cycle of products, next environmental aspects, then social aspects, and the last one is sustainable or recyclable materials or products. What are the benefits of sustainable procurement? First is reducing the harmful impact of pollution and waste. In sustainable procurement, it implements green procurement program. It means a purchase of environmentally product and service, the selection of contractor, and the setting of environmental requirement in a contract. Through this program, it can reduce the expenditure and waste. For example, company has a green procurement, select and materials or product based on the environment impact such as recyclability. Next is encouraging innovation that can improve the technology. Programming system to make the transformation business to be more efficient. Then revenue growth. The consumer that buy into sustainability can improve the organization financial and increase the brand equity and loyalty. So the company can achieve the increases of revenue, and the organization can also save the money from using sustainable programming partners.
Sustainable logistics is a measure of sustainable policy taken by the logistics industry to minimize the environmental impact on transportation, warehousing, and other logistic activities. Sustainable logistics aims to lower the ecology footprints of its tasks, such as a carbon dioxide emission, which is the truck on the road traffic that produce a fine particle that pollute the outside air. These particles are not only dangerous and carcinogenic to humans, but they are also toxic to our ecosystem. Next, for the noise pollution, which is the excessive noise has been shown to cause a range of health problems, ranging from the stress, poor concentration, productivity losses in the workplace, and the accident. In this sense, logistics suppliers must look for the balance between financial growth, environment care, and the health of society. Element of logistics. First, order processing and information management. For example, order management, real-time tracking, warehouse management, and shipment information. Second, packaging. A proper boxing, sealing, and labeling of the goods to ensure that they are protected and easily transported to the destination. Third, warehousing and storage. The process that involves the storing and stockpiling the product that has been demanded and is to be supplied. And next, inventory. Inventory is storing of various products so that the high demand can be made without the last moment operation. Here's other things that determine decision relate to the inventory. What the quality should be stored, how to store, and where to store. And lastly is transportation. Transportation is responsibility, delivery of the product, the right place, at the right minute, and the right condition. Benefit sustainable logistics. First, reduce emission. By reducing the overall number of miles driven, the total amount gas released can reduce. Thus, the company can reduce the fines and penalties for the violation of environmental regulation. Second, reduce the amount of energy consumed. Find alternative energies. For example, DHL use electronic bike as delivery service to save energy consumption. And lastly, reduce the amount of waste product.
Sustainable Procurement Company. Sustainable Procurement Company, which is Petroleum Nasional Berhad as known as Petronas. It was established on 17 August 1974 as the national oil company wholly owned by Malaysia government. Petronas have been ranked Fortune Global 500 the largest corporation in the world. Since it was invested, Petronas has grown to be international oil and gas company with 31 countries.
Sustainable Logistics Company. DHL is the global market leader in international courier, package delivery, and express mail service. The company was founded in Germany on 25 September 1969. The name of DHL taken by the three founders' last name, which is Adrian Delsey, Larry Hiblem, and Robert Lim. Now, the company delivers over 1.5 billion parcels per year. What is SDG? It is an action plan adopted by all 193 countries of the United Nations. SDGs cover sustainability from different angles: social, economic, and environment. It is conceived of 70 sustainable development goals are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. SDG is to make a better place for everyone without destroying for the next generation.
Petronas' contribution towards SDG 7. Petronas celebrates another milestone as a progressive energy and solution partner with the official naming of their second floating LNG vessel known as PFLNG-2. The world's first deep-water FLNG can operate in water depth of about 1,500 meters and extracting gas straight from subsea well to provide a reliable and secure supply of gas moving forward. It can support the national agenda towards a low-carbon economy and a sustainable future. The next contribution towards SDG 13. The official launch of Work for Trees Challenge in collaboration with Yayasan Petronas marks Petronas' effort in stepping up the support towards the move right elements. It is the sustainability agenda by ensuring GHG emission reduction. For the result, the company Petronas able to reduce their GHG emission from 4.6 million tons carbon in 2018 to 4.4 million tons carbon in 2019.
DHL contribution towards SDG 2030. First, SDG 8. DHL support connecting people by facilitating global trade, supporting economic growth, and creating jobs around the world. DHL help connect people and improve their life by career opportunities for the young people with a Go Teach program. Next, SDG 11. DHL minimize transportation-induced air pollution in the city to provide a growing urban population with a sustainability logistics and to improve the local quality of the life by delivering 70% on it 2025. And the last one is SDG 30. DHL minimize impact on the environmental protection program. Their mission in 2050 climate target and green logistics solution by helping the world community reach the goal set at UN Paris Climate Conference.
As for your information, Petronas has implemented the alternative towards their technology. Petronas, with its vision of digital group procurement (DGP), demonstrates industry leadership in harnessing the value of digital tools and technologies with an end-to-end procurement function. This requires not only upskilling their employees, but also contractors and players in the industry. So, they has implemented the platform of Smart by GEP. It is a unified cloud-based end-to-end source-to-pay procurement platform. There are a few benefits from this platform, which is quick view of contractual documents, seamless tender clarification, streamlined invoice submission, and transparent performance rating. So, through the platform, DGP will improve efficiency, enhance the customer experience, and provide a strategic partner to business through the analytics of their areas of operation. Petronas' vision is going digital procurement. By implementing the Smart by GEP platform, it is the digital advancement as a key factor behind their business transformation. Then, it is digitally entrenched in the way they work to deliver new value, and it also digitally seamless to remove friction and drive stakeholder connectivity.
3 piece milestone of sustainability logistics focusing DHL group. First, people contribution for the community. For example, Go Teach program, DHL and to prepare demand of working in DHL and to improve their chances gaining employment. Second, safety, health and the workplace. For example, in 2018, the accident rate was lowest, which indicates 0.6. Next place, air quality. DHL used hybrid van and electronic bike to reduce gas emission for vehicles. And lastly, profit, which are growth and efficiency. Now we are focusing on the data statistic between Petronas and the DHL Group. The bar chart shows the total greenhouse gas emission from the both company. Based on the data, Petronas show decreasing in the year 2017 to 2018, while for the DHL Group, the data show is slightly increasing from the year 2016 until 2018. It is because in the year 2018, Petronas has promoted natural gas as a low carbon fuel. As a result, in 2018, over 0.94 million carbon emission reduction was achieved through the flare reduction from the key project in Sabah, Peninsula Malaysia and Turkmenistan. And for the HL group, the data show slightly increasing, although the HL has been used hybrid van and electronic bike to decrease a gas emission, but they unable to control the gas emission that used from flight carrier.
Now, let's move to the issues. One of the sustainable procurement issue is the complexity of comparing costing for money assessment. This issue occurs due to the different method used in the procurement process. For example, if the company are using the traditional method of the procurement process, the accuracy of the value of money are not really accurate compared to the usage of digital technology. Thus, it is not easy for the company to get the accurate value of money. Then, for the sustainable logistics issues is climate changes. This issue will lead to the difficulty to do a daily operation. As we know, logistics operations are moved every time and every day. But due to the climate change, the movement of the transportation will be delayed. Therefore, the goods cannot be delivered on time to the customer. Next, we took DHL companies as the global scenario. The issue is the increasing gas emissions from the vehicle bring adverse to the environment. As we know, the increasing of the gas emissions will contribute to the air pollution. Thus, the solution regarding these issues is DHL company has implemented hybrid vehicle. Energy source, wind and solar power has a lesser impact on the environment. This can lead to the lesser impact on the environment and decrease fossil fuel and electricity usage. Therefore, based on the research from the Institute of Solar Power System in Germany, they says that when the vehicle has installing solar panels on the vehicle, it will reduce the use of hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide emissions and transportation costs in general. This helped DHL company to overcome the issue. For the Malaysia scenario, the issues we get is from Petronas company, which is the inefficiency of the procurement system. The issues will lead to the slower process of procurement in the operations and inaccurate of the data recorded. Thus, Petronas has implemented a digital procurement technology which is Smart by GEP. This platform will help the procurement process move smoothly and be more efficient to the company and its partner. As the conclusion, every company or business aims to achieve the sustainability of procurement and logistics in their daily operations. Thus, with sustainable development goals, help the companies to grow and well organize their company's operations. SDG help the companies or business in order to protect the environment and people's health. That's all from me. We hope that everyone understand and clear about this topic. Thank you.